Welcome, guys. My name is Alex, and
My name is Nathan.
okay, guys, we are very excited to come here and tell you guys how we begin a very profitable trade off in a short period of time. And some of these things is actually things that you guys need to listen to and actually start to implement that within your Forex journey so that you can be able to see that speed, that growth, that profitability within a very fast period of time. And we are going to be discussing a whole lot of things. That's why we created a full playlist that we're going to be dropping video every now and then. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so that whenever we drop new video, you're going to be notified and watch those videos. So it's going to be a very helpful video. Trust me, a very helpful video. So yeah, I don't know if you have anything to say.
Yeah, nothing much. Just to buttress on what you say, what you just said. Yeah, and like this, just a playlist that we're gonna like curate, and we're gonna be dropping all our experience and what make us to become profitable within short period of time. We're gonna be breaking down not strategies, but it's about basically on psychology. And like there are a whole lot of factors you have to like don't miss out. Just watch every single video we drop. That's why we are making it as playlist, and we are going to be doing this back to back. And I guarantee you, if you pay close attention, you're going to learn so much, and within few period of time you're going to know how to trade, and you're going to like get a solid foundation within your Forex journey. Love you guys. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more contents like this.
And also like the video.
Like
Okay,
the
so
videos,
we'll
yeah.
see you guys in the other episode.
Yeah.
Make sure you like the video and subscribe.
Yeah.